The human-animal bond is mutually beneficial and dynamic relationship between peoples and animals that is influenced by the behavior essential to health and well-being of both. This includes, among other things, emotional, psychological, and physical attraction of the people's animal and environment. The veterinarian's role in the animal-human bond is maximize the potentials of relationship between peoples and animals. This hope Pakistan need a lot of these things, especially shelters are required in all of the countries, in the major cities of Pakistan. Thank you.